Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without the buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the buttons and gestures. Now just here go to the quick gestures, and here you'll see the 3-finger screenshots switcher. Just to activate this option, tap here once on the switcher, and now when you'll just swipe with your 3 fingers on your screen at the same time, you can take a screenshot. And that's how it looks. And if you'll just tap here on the screen, you can change the size of your screenshot by this way. Also you can here type something, or you can edit the screen how you want, and here you can also share with the screen with someone. And now for example we'll just save the screen, and then you can find the screenshot in your photos and just tap here tap to allow, and in your library you'll see the screenshots album, the folder, and here you'll find your previously taken screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.